Hello everyone, welcome back to our Know About PPC YouTube channel. In this video, I am covering a few key points to set up Google search ads. First, the structure of the search campaign. Then, new campaign creation. Bid strategy for campaign. Target locations, language on campaign settings. Ad group and keyword. Responsive search ads. Ad extensions for maximum impact. At last, monitoring and optimizing the ads. Alright, let's check one by one. First things first. Let's see the structure of the search campaign. Ad relevance and ad optimization is the crucial factor for PPC. Now, we are viewing the basic structure of a search campaign for what needs to be done before building a campaign. Create a campaign structure in this format that will support your goals. Each account can hold multiple campaigns. Also, each campaign can have multiple ad groups based on targeting keywords. In addition, each ad group can have several keywords and ad copies. To create a new campaign, choose an objective first depending on your goal. Google will then show you which campaign types are available. In this video, we are creating a search ad by encouraging customers to convert. So let's choose leads. Use the conversion goals to enhance the leads and campaign performance. If you have not yet created a conversion goal, go to Tools and Settings. Then click Conversion. Create a new conversion here. I have covered this topic in one of my previous videos. I will put the link at the top and the description below. Go and watch it before creating a campaign. Now, we can see what type of campaigns are available on the objective. Click Continue. Let's choose Search since we are setting up a search campaign. Now, select the ways that you would like to reach your goal. We need website leads. So click the website visits option here. And place our URL here. Name the campaign. Click Continue. Click Start New here. Various bidding strategies are depending on your goals for running the ad. Manual and automated bidding strategies are the two main sections in Google Ads. Now, I am going with a manual way. The clicks, that is manual cost per click, is a manually controlled bid strategy where you can customize the CPC for every keyword manually. My suggestion is, when you are a beginner on Google Ads, start with manual CPC. We will see Google Ads bidding strategies in detail in an upcoming video. Choose Click here and click Next. In campaign networks. These two search and display networks appear on Google partner sites that partner with Google to show ads and product listings. I am unchecking these two for this campaign. Choose the location where you would like to target the ads. Pick one of the target preferences based on people's interests. And choose your language. We don't probably need an audience segment for the search campaign. If you want, you can choose to browse and pick based on interest and demographics. Now, I let it be empty. Broad match keywords work with smart bidding. So ignore this since we are using manual bidding. Click More Settings. And pick your campaign start date and end dates. Also, set an ad schedule for when your ad should appear during the days and times. Choose Prefer Best Performing Ads here. Ignore these brand restrictions for now. And click Next. Let's get into ads groups for creating keywords and ads. In two ways. You can create keywords that people are searching for. One is the automatic way. And the other is the manual way. If you place your target page URL here and click Get the Keyword Suggestions, Google will give suggestions and list out the keywords automatically based on that targeting website page. If you want to place keywords manually, Use the Keyword Planner tool to do the keyword research based on your products or services. To do keyword research using the Google Keyword Planner tool, go to Tools and Settings. Click the Keyword Planner. Enter products or services closely related to your business. Enter your target location. And find out what keywords you feel give more leads to your website accordingly. I will explain how to do keyword research using the Google Keyword Planner tool in detail in upcoming videos. Now, I have already set a few keywords to target in this ad group and ads correspondingly. I am going to populate each keyword here by using phrase match type and a few exact match types. So, what is a phrase match? Phrase match allows your ad to show up in searches that include the meaning of your keyword. It comes with quotation marks around it when entering them into your ad group. It matches your ads to relevant search terms that are closely related to your keyword by adding phrases with first and last words. What is an exact match? Exact match allows your ads can only show when queries have the same meaning as your keyword. It comes with brackets around the keywords. It gives you high relevancy but less reach. Now, we should create ads that adapt to show more relevant messages to your customers on the search engine result page. We must fill in all the titles and descriptions when creating a responsive search ad to improve ad relevancy. Further, once the ad is live, Google Ads tests these titles and descriptions that we give and provide to users which combination is best. Let's fill out all the fields here. Enter our targeting URL here. Mention the path URL name for the user's understanding. Enter the headlines relevant to your ads. And pin the position to 1, 2, and 3 to improve ad strength. Then, enter the descriptions of 4. It can be up to 90 characters. Also, add ad extensions. Add a site links extension that shows additional links in your ad below the description that bring people to specific pages of your website. People can then click your links to go directly to what they want to know or buy. Let's fill out the fields here and place your additional links from the website. Add a callouts extension that gives additional information about your business as what you offer, support, and key points. You can highlight offers such as free delivery or 24/7 customer support. It can be up to 25 characters. Likewise, you can add all ad extensions about your business and website to improve your ad performance. Promotions, prices, phone numbers, lead forms, also app if you have them. These all are additional details of your business where appear in ads. Now click Done. We can create more ads like this on the same ad group based on your products or services. Click Next. Set your average daily budget here. Alight, now your campaign is almost ready to publish. Once again, check all the steps that you have filled in and click Publish Campaign. Alight, we have successfully created the search campaign. You can check the status here once Google approves the ad. It would take time to be eligible. As a heads up, the process is not yet completed. Still, need to organize the campaign by adding negative keywords and changing the click bid to manual cost per click. Negative keywords are used to decrease the odds that you don't show up in the wrong ones. When you add the word in negative keywords, you tell Google Ads not to show your ad for any search. So I don't want to show the people who searching my keywords with the word free. If I add the word here, my ads will not show to anyone who is searching for that phrase. In terms of manual cost per click, it gives you full control to set separate bids for each keyword you are targeting. Enhanced CPC is an automated strategy that uses the advertiser's historical data to adjust bids and slightly increase the chances of conversions within our CPC limits. So I am going to give enhanced CPC. Also, I am setting the manual cost for each keyword that I am targeting based on my analysis. Alright, we have successfully created the search campaign in Google Ads. Still, we have a lot of things to optimize the campaign. We will go over them one by one in an upcoming video. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please like, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.